I will talk about how can you disable data saver on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click in this sign down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on data saver, you just click on it here. You come to data saver, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean data saver disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.